How are you doing all? I hope you are doing fine. This very special place for me today. I'm very happy to see this place today. This recreational center, it is very amazing. It is so sensational. I love this place. It is one place around Batu in Oromia region. I like this place. I love to be here, and I will be here forever. This is my permanent place. I love it. Yeah. My guy, join me here. I don't know how to explain this one. I'm very happy to see this place today. Yeah, you see this one of my guy. Yeah, I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Thank you. See you soon. I will show you another amazing thing.